Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I wanted to show you how to make this beautiful tablescape using only Dollar Tree items. It was pretty simple and pretty cheap. So if you're on a budget and still looking to throw a fabulous party, then keep watching. So to start off, we have the pink plastic tablecloths. But to jazz it up a bit, I used a few things. In the tablecloth area of the Dollar Tree, I saw these beautiful table runners. So these are black, and of course, they're only $1. So other things I used were the glass mirrors, and then also were the lighted candles I have right here, and they come 2 in a pack. And if you want to jazz them up even more, you can even throw some diamond bling on them. I think they look absolutely cute. Also, I used the paper flowers. These also come 2 in the pack in the party area. So just to give the table a little bit more contrast and a little bit more texture, I used black and the pink. And then I got the jars, and I just added a little bling wrap to them. So it kind of takes away from the plastic tablecloths, so people won't really recognize that you're just using cheap plastic tablecloths. Another thing I did was to do the backdrop. It's made out of the streamer paper, so this is actually done with, I think, 3 to 4 rolls. You can use more or less depending on how full you want it to look, but it was pretty simple to do. I actually do a lot of parties, so I actually have the backdrop stand. And all I did was cut the streamers to the length that I want, and just use tape, and just tape them each to the bar. So when it's time to come down, I can just easily take them off. I also use painter's tape, the blue tape, just because it makes it a little bit more easier to come off my stand. Then also, just to add a little bit more cuteness, I took the same paper flowers and just hooked them to the top. The back of these flowers actually have like a string on them, like a hoop. So I just looped that around the bar. What else did I do? Also, if you don't have a backdrop stand, it's not an issue. You can just do the same thing of taping the streamers to the wall, and I'll probably put up a video of how to actually create this streamer backdrop, but again, it's very simple. So to jazz up your event, you know, it's not that hard and it's not that expensive, you know, especially if you get all your items from the Dollar Tree. And I believe that is it. Thank you for watching.